Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. Here in this video, we are going to discuss how to upgrade Ubuntu operating system. So with that being said, let's get started. To upgrade your Ubuntu operating system, simply open the terminal application. For that, click on app launcher icon, search for terminal and open it. You can also use Ctrl-Alt-T to open the terminal application. In the terminal, simply run sudo apt-get update. Then hit enter key. Now enter your Ubuntu system password. Then hit enter key. And wait for the update process to complete. After that, simply run sudo space apt-get upgrade. Then hit enter key. Now here you will get a prompt. Do you want to continue? Simply type Y, then hit enter key and wait for the upgrade process to complete. Once done, simply close the terminal. Then click on Ubuntu icon. Here look for software updater. Click on it and check for any available updates. If there is any update, simply click on install now button. After that, enter your Ubuntu system password to authenticate the process, and your Ubuntu system will be up to date. If you have any upgrade option, then here you will find the upgrade button. Simply click on it and wait for the process to complete. Once done, simply restart the system. For that, click on power icon. Here click on power button, then click on restart and here click on restart. So that's it. This is how you can upgrade your Ubuntu operating system. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.